As your President and Chancellor of the Order of Fiji, my wife Sarod and I are very pleased and indeed honored that we are gathered here today or this morning to once again acknowledge and appropriately reward recipients of the 2018 Honor Roll, and most importantly, to continue to promote and uphold the culture of appreciation, which I intend to nurture and hopefully inculcate into the psyche of every citizen of our beloved nation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, my formal address, please allow me to acknowledge and commend with great respect, appreciation, and gratitude the work and contribution of the late Mr. Dixon Sito, Order of Fiji, who was a very dedicated and active member of the Fiji College of Honor. And as Chancellor of the Order, I value very much his invaluable input during the Council's deliberations, and we all miss him. His intellect, his wisdom, his wit, and his great sense of humor. Important personal traits of someone who had served his country for so long and well. He had left an enviable legacy of selfless service, which should be an inspiration to all of us. Today's Investiture Ceremony is similar to those that had been conducted within this precinct over the years, and since government of the day instituted the order way back in 1995. We've come a long way. Now, today's Investiture Ceremony is another important milestone in the history of the order, whereby government and we, as Fijians, continue to acknowledge, but more importantly, honor and reward those deserving members of our society for their selfless contributions to nation building, and on one occasion, as we witnessed this morning, a young man, for acts of bravery during extreme and dangerous situations. The recipient of today's award, in my humble opinion, may be referred to or classed as extraordinary individuals of our nation, who should be justifiably proud of their individual and collective actions in serving humanity, either here at home or overseas, in the case of our servicemen and women who are deployed on peacekeeping and peace support operations in some of the world's most volatile and dangerous conflict zones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, today's world has now sadly evolved into a global community whose values and ethics have changed dramatically. In fact, we now take a lot of things for granted. Some of us have unfortunately become less tolerant towards one another and have become very ungrateful. Hence my commitment as your President and Head of State to continue to advocate for all Fijians to be more mindful, loving and caring, and develop our national sense of oneness and a culture of appreciation by appropriately and timely rewarding deserving members of our communities for their contributions and service. In view of this, ladies and gentlemen, may I humbly request that you, as parents, politicians, church leaders, chiefs of the Vanua, or ordinary citizens, please be more forthcoming with your nominations to the College of Honor for deserving Fijians whom you consider to be worthy of recognition, and be rewarded with an award from the Order of Fiji. Now, very soon, we will be launching this office official website, which should ease the processes by which individuals or groups could nominate personnel for the College of Honor's consideration for awards as it deems appropriate. Now, please take advantage of this new development in our attempt to improve service delivery by ensuring that deserving cases are promptly and adequately addressed. Now, this can now be done online. Now, let us continue to show all Fijians that as leaders we do care for their courage, their commitment, their passion, their patriotism and pride in serving our beloved nation well in whatever sector or field of work they are employed in. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in furthering my attempts to improve national morale and a present sense of appreciation, I have also asked the chairperson and the members of the College of Honor to review the present Honors and Awards Act with a proposal to amend some of its provisions to allow us to honor the memories of some of Fiji's past citizens who had served our beloved nation equally well with posthumous awards. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to our special guests today, the recipients of the 2018 awards, congratulations and well done. You have every right to be presented with your awards, and on behalf of all Fijians, I wish you well and every success in your future endeavors. It would be remiss of me if I do not acknowledge and thank your spouses, your family members, your colleagues and friends for their invaluable support and encouragement during a journey of achievement culminating in today's award ceremony. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to commend and thank Dr. Konusi Konrote, Mr. Nesbill Hazelman, Brigadier General Apakuki Kurisenga, the Honorable Premila Kumar for her short but valuable work with the college, and welcome its newly appointed members, Mr. Michael E. Joy and Mrs. Sabita Lalgandhi. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you too for gracing the occasion with attendance in great numbers this morning. Nawalevu Danavad, and may Almighty God bless us all.